In this guide, we are going over Animal Hospital Anomalies, every single anomaly in game. This is Aiden from JustBoz, and before we get into this guide, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help with the channel and it lets us know that you want more content like this, so we greatly appreciate it. If at any point throughout this guide you did have any questions, just ask them down in the comment section below and we can help you out further. I'm going to be doing my best to reply to every single comment down there. Now, there is a lot of anomalies in game, and we actually have one right here as well, but this is just shift 2 right now, which is why this is popping up, because this is still kind of the tutorial. But there is a lot of anomalies in the game. For example, you have 3 eyes, and this is one that has 3 eyes. It's also going to have a low pitch and distorted voice. Its most distinct feature is the fact that it has 3 eyes rather than the standard 2 that you'll see on a normal guy. You're also going to see one that has like a hollow face, and instead of just having the standard face like you'll normally have, it's going to have huge gaping eyes with eye bags underneath them. That's a very clear indication, and they're also going to be frowning very heavily instead of just having the normal standard face that we normally see. Now, you're also going to see unnatural facial appearance. Now, this is going to be like a giant smile. This is going to have like huge eyes. Anything that looks super unnatural is going to be this one, or you also have like human teeth. That one is a huge indication as well that that is an anomaly. It'll also have a low and distorted voice. Twitching, which is what this guy is doing right now, is just twitching in both the arms and the head, and of course twitching results in elongated neck as well. Now, this can sometimes appear without the use of equipment. Other times you're going to have to check the security cams as well, and you'll see it on here. That's another good way to go ahead and tell. Unnatural body is pretty easy, and it doesn't look like any of these guys are going to have it, but essentially this is just a body that does not look like the standard one that we normally see. Closing and reopening up the security camera will cause their bodies to shape change every single time, so you can just continuously keep doing that, and that's a good way to test. Now, there's going to be incorrect photos as well, so say you go ahead and take a photo of one of these guys, and let's just go ahead and deny this guy. I'm tired of looking at him, right? It looks like this guy might be twitching as well, which is okay, but let's go ahead and just take a picture of him, right? When you take the picture of them and you inspect the picture itself, if they look a little bit different in this picture, you're going to want to go ahead and also close that, because of course that is also an anomaly. Another good example is an unnatural photo. So if you go ahead and take another photo when trying to check in a patient and they look normal in person, right? And then you take the photo, and then when you inspect that photo right here, if they do not look normal, that's another example that they are an anomaly, and that's when you close that shutter as well. A lot of these do have to do with taking photos. That's usually the best way to go ahead and check. So for example, with another one, you have static photo. When you go ahead and just begin checking in a patient, and we'll go ahead and do that again, take another photo. If the photo ever appears like staticky, for example, and this one does not, if it does appear staticky, do not register them and send them away as well. The next one is also another anomaly photo related one. If you go ahead and take the photo of the anomaly itself and it's cursed, meaning it has like bloodshot eyes and other horrible grins happening, that's another anomaly, and you might as well just close the shutters and get it out of here. Another one is black eyes. You guys probably saw this one pop up earlier on the security camera. This guy does have it as well. If you open up the security cameras and you see these black eyes on here, that's an example that this is black eyes and you don't want to deal with this one. Don't even have to waste time. Get out of here, dude. Another example is going to be the blacked out body as well. If they're just completely black, and you can also check this one on security cameras. If this guy was completely black right here, that would be an anomaly. And yes, this would include the eyes as well. Go ahead and get rid of that one. Another one would be skinwalkers as well. If the patient appears to be a skinwalker only in the security cameras, it can also be difficult to check to see in person. So just use the lobby camera for a side view of this. And of course, if they look kind of weird, they have gaping teeth, right? Their tongue sticking out, that is a skinwalker. You don't want to deal with that. That is an anomaly. Also, if when you check the security cameras, the next one, if they have different ears than they have in person, that is another anomaly. You're going to want to get rid of that one as well. And the ears will look very different. It's super easy to tell. Before you do leave, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help with the channel, and it lets us know that you want more content like this. We'd greatly appreciate it. And if at any point throughout this guide you did have any questions, just ask them down in the comment section below and we can help you out further. I'm going to be doing my best to reply to every single comment down there. Peace.